This instructional video covers the recommended procedures for sanitizing your whipped cream dispenser. Before you begin, make sure you have the following items: buckets for sanitizer, Sterashine Green Label sanitizer. The United States Department of Agriculture and the Food and Drug Administration require that all cleaning and sanitizing solutions used with food processing equipment be certified for this use. When sanitizing the dispenser, refer to local sanitary regulations for applicable codes and recommended sanitizing products and procedures. The frequency of sanitizing must comply with local health regulations. Sanitizing must be done after the dispenser is cleaned and just before it's filled with cream. Sanitizing the night before is not effective. However, you should always clean the dispenser and parts after each use. Please note you should never run the dispenser when it's empty to avoid damaging it. To sanitize your dispenser, prepare 2 gallons of Sterashine sanitizer according to the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure your water is hotter than 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the cream container from the machine. Pour the sanitizing solution into the cream container up to half of its capacity, and place the cream container back into the hopper. Place a container under the dispensing faucet to catch the sanitizing solution as it's dispensed. Press the dispensing button until all sanitizing solution has been drained from the machine. Your dispenser is now sanitized and ready for use. To learn more about your whipped cream dispenser, visit us online at stoeltingfoodservice.com.